Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm come to show you how you can prepare condensed milk toffee, condensed milk candy, and you can use aluminium foil to wrap it the way I'm making it, or you can store on airtight container for 4 weeks or until finish. This way I think you cannot store for 4 weeks. Just 2 days it will finish. Just simple ingredients you need. So let me show you the ingredients you need. 1 teaspoon of oil and the condensed milk, any quantity you want to use. Put your frying pan on fire. You add your oil to it. Preset the fire to medium high temperature, and then you add your condensed milk to it. And I have condensed milk recipe on my channel. Homemade condensed milk is very easy to make your own condensed milk. And you start stirring it until golden brown color or it's thicker. Please don't leave it. And the fire, remember, don't put it high or low. Please don't leave it. Continue stirring it until golden brown color. And I'm thanking my old followers and my old subscribers. And if you are new here, after watching finish, please don't forget to follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow my Facebook page and Instagram, please. Please let me tell you something. Do you know this is very good business? You can make it and you get something from it. You can get money to take care of yourself and your family. Especially the women are not working. My fellow women, those people are not working. This is very good business for you. You can do this and you will sell it to get money. If you live nearby school, primary school, they will like it, or you can make it and go outside to sell it. Because corona comes, so many people have lost their job. So if you try to do something to help your family, it's very good. Now it's ready. So you add small oil on the surface. You are going to roll it on top. I'm using wooden chopping board. If you didn't use wooden chopping board or stone chopping board and you put on rubber, it will melt. Because this is very hot, so you transfer it on your surface. You add small oil on your palm, the palm, your hand you are going to use to mold it. And this one, you can mold it any shape you want. You can make it round, you can use cookies cutter to cut it any shape you want. But Ghana, we make it like this and we cut it and they are selling. This is the way Ghanaian people cut their condensed milk toffee. And you can do any shape you want. That's what I told you. But Ghanaians, we prefer this way. I remember the time I was young, if my mother gave me money to go and buy food to eat in school, I used to buy condensed milk toffee. Please, let's be cool before you can wrap it or store it in airtight container. And this one shouldn't be refrigerator. Put on your dining table. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, the same like Facebook and Instagram. Like it, comment and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.